Hi guys, today I am going to introduce you about extinct animals part 2. The ancient or antique bison and extinct species of bison that lived in North America during the Pleistocene epoch. Smilodon, a large extinct carnivorous mammal of the cat family with massive carved upper canine teeth. Next, cave bear, a large extinct bear of Pleistocene epoch whose remains are found commonly in caves throughout Europe. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Please share to others for education and like the video. Thank you for watching. In the next video of extinct animals, I introduce auroch, camalops and direwolf.